Most swing traders already follow basic discipline, yet they still face steady a drawdown. Ints the queen, yet most face steady account drawdown. The hidden root cause is relying only on a single timeline for entry decisions. Single timeline charts flood your screen with low-quality noise and false signals. Multi-timeframe structure filtering is my core system to upgrade trading accuracy. Higher time slate define the real trend, while lower frames lock precise entry timing. No matter how perfect your small timeline setup. No matter perfect your small timeline setup is, counter-trend trades fail statistically. I always confirm the daily trend first before activating any swing trade setup. But this cling the spark, then can sub-time filter. Higher nines and higher lows confirm a stable bullish trend structure. Lower highs and lower lows verify a continuous bearish trend direction. After trend alignment, I use qualified pin bar rejection for high probability entry. A valid pin bar requires its wick to exceed 2/3 of the total candle range. Only ejection signals at key support or resistance levels carry trading value. Trend structure plus level rejection significantly raises your overall win rate. Fake breakout is the biggest silent trap for intermediate stroke traders. Volume divergence is the most objective tool to identify fake breakouts. Genuine breakout must come with volume expansion and institutional capital participation. Institutional capital participation. Low-volume breakouts always pull back to retest the original trading range. Many good setups end with low profits due to rigid one-time full exit strategy. Professional swing trading uses tiered partial profit taking for maximum gain. I lock 50% profit at first target, and move stop loss to break-even instantly. I take 30% profit at the second level and apply dynamic trailing stop. The last 20% position is reserved to capture the full trend extension move, but this familiar bly for forward with extension via planned. This tiered exit system perfectly balances safety and compound growth. My base rule is fixed 1% risk per trade, with conditional position scaling only. I never add size after losses, because revenge scaling ruins equity stability. Controlled compound scaling is only allowed after 3 consecutive winning trades. Trend and structure, their cons of home at up sixture, ilstis grand up fasket of. Broken trend structure is my final signal to fully close swing positions. Inside bar compression indicates a high probability pre-breakout consolidation. All counter-trend compression patterns should be filtered directly. Retail traders overtrade small patterns without multi-timeframe trend filtering. My advanced swing system consists of 4 core price action modules. All logic is pure price structure based. No lagging indicators. No subjective prediction. Every entry and exit has clear quantitative standards for repeatable trading edge. Structured trading builds low drawback, slowly compound equity growth. Subscribe to master multi-frame filtering, fake breakout detection, and tiered profit management. Follow Trading Wolf and upgrade from basic discipline to complete trading system.